Charlie Jean's last message to her mother was one of hope and redemption. She was an only child and had become pregnant at the age of 14, but she was optimistic about her future. On October the 23rd, Charlie Jean was asleep in her boyfriend's house when police came knocking. That operation left 5 people dead, including Charlie Jean, her boyfriend Aaron, and their unborn child they fondly called Isaiah. The police say they were responding to a distress call and that Aaron's group was involved in assassinations and the illegal drugs trade.
I don't believe what the police are saying. She was just a child. The neighbors heard her begging for her life. She was saying, "Please don't shoot me. I'm pregnant. Please just let me leave the house." I saw her body at the morgue. Her eyes were open. I couldn't recognize her.
Across the country, these have become familiar scenes. Children are killed in police operations. Last year, the government says it will make those responsible accountable, but not a single conviction has been made. The Philippine government says President Rodrigo Duterte's fight against crime is being effective. As a result, the number of what they call index crimes, such as kidnapping and theft, have all gone down. But homicides continue to rise, and the government is unable to explain why. According to the Commission on Human Rights, that is because deaths related to the war on drugs and those killed in police operations have been classified as either homicide cases or deaths under investigations. The government has been disputing claims that extrajudicial killings committed by the state have surpassed the 10,000 mark.
The government is really in denial about the human rights crisis that is currently being faced by so many people on the ground.
But even President Duterte admits he is unable to control the police force.
If indeed 40% are involved in illegal activities, then that means that we will not be able to achieve and enjoy the peace that is being enjoyed now.
But for the families of those like Charlie Jean who have been killed in police operations, there can be no peace without justice. Jamela, Alindogan, Jazeera, Cavite City, Luzon, Northern Philippines.